Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. We were discussing concept of relative velocity. In this class, we will do some problems on relative velocity. How we are going to solve. And this year, which question they have given on concept of relative velocity, we will see. And these two trains are moving. Two trains are moving in opposite direction. Two trains are moving. Please write down. Two trains are moving in opposite direction. Whenever these two are moving in opposite direction, its length is, one train length is 400 meters, another train length is 300 meters. One is moving with velocity 15 meter per second, another one is moving with velocity 20 meter per second. So now how much time it will take to cross each other? To cross each other means one train is like this, another train is coming like this. Now both of them crossed or not? No, because half of the portion or some part of the portion is going to be is there. They have not crossed fully. Now this train is coming like this. Now this one is going like this. Now have they crossed means no. So both should become like this. This should come like this. Now both of them crossed each other. Now what is the total length of the train now? Total length of the train is 400 plus 300. Therefore, time, already we have given this formula, total length L1 plus L2 by, now velocity we should write, relative velocity. Both are moving in same direction or opposite direction? So both are moving opposite direction means what we said, V1 plus V2, correct? So both are moving in same direction, V1 minus V2, isn't it? Now, total length 400 plus 300. 400 plus 300 by, so 20 plus 50. And what you are going to get? 700 by 35. 700 by 35 means 35 will be cancelled 2 times, correct? 20 meter per means, sorry, 20 seconds. What is the unit of time? We are calculating time, not velocity. Therefore, 20 seconds, correct? This is how we are going to get. Very easy. Now, for the same problem, if they have given both the trains are moving in same direction, then what is the time it is going to take to cross each other? Time is equal to, now total length is always L1 plus L2. So velocity V1 minus V2. So total length again same 400 plus 300 by, so velocity, if both are moving in same direction, 20 minus 15. That is going to be 20 minus 15. Can we write 15 minus 20 means? We can write because time cannot be negative. So 700 by 5. So 1, 4, 0. Isn't it? 140 seconds. Correct? This is going to be how they are going to give problems on this. But here they gave in meter per second. Sometimes they will give in kilometer per hour. At the time, you should convert kilometer per hour into, how you should convert kilometer per hour should be converted into meter per second. Now another problem we will give, two trains of lengths, 120 meters and 100 meters. Okay, so both are moving in opposite direction. That is in opposite direction with velocities 40 kilometer per hour and 50 kilometer per hour. 40 kilometer per hour and 50 kilometer per hour. So both are moving in opposite direction. How much time it will take to cross each other, they are going to ask. At the time, so we did. If opposite direction means we have to do L1 plus L2 by, what happens to velocity? V1 plus V2. So this 40, 50 kilometer per hour, first we should convert into meter per second, correct? Correct or not? So kilometer per hour, we should convert into meter per second. So first L1 plus L2 you can say 120 plus 100 divided by 40 plus 50. This is in kilometer per hour. This is in meters. Therefore, 220 by 90 kilometer per hour. This 90 kilometer per hour we should convert into meter per second. 220 by 90 into 5 by 80. How many times it is going to be cancelled? You can cross check. So this 0 will be cancelled. 0, 0 will be cancelled. So this 9 will be cancelled here 2 times. If 2 is going to numerator, so 22 into 2 by 5. So 5 will be cancelled here. So 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20 into 2. Therefore 8.8 seconds. Isn't it? This is the final answer. Correct. So like this you can solve the problems. If same question if they're asking, we will do in same direction means. So 50 minus 40. I think we got clarity now. Now this year problem we will see how they asked. Now see this year question. So they have given two cities X and Y are connected by a bus service with a bus leaving in either direction every T time. Two cities X and Y. Two cities X and Y connected by a bus service. So one bus is starting from here, one bus is starting from here, isn't it? Every T minutes. So velocity of the bus you can assume V. What is the distance? So we came to know velocity is distance by time. Distance is velocity into, isn't it? Next, a girl is driving scooty with a speed of 60 km per hour in the direction of x to y. In the direction of x to y, velocity of the scooty is going to be 60 km per hour. They give. This is the question. 60 km per hour in the direction x to y. You can take later from y to x also, no problem. In the direction x to y, notices that a bus goes past her every 30 minutes in the direction of her motion. One bus is moving. This bus is moving for every 30 minutes. 30 minutes in the same direction. Next, every 30 minutes in this direction of her motion and every 10 minutes in the opposite direction. So in the opposite direction, this bus is moving in the opposite direction for every 10 minutes. Correct? The opposite direction. Choose the correct option for the period of bus service and speed of the bus. Means time period capital T and what is the velocity of the bus. Velocity of the bus you can take V or VB, no problem. V or VB. See here. The bus is moving in which direction? X to Y. Scooty is also moving in same direction. Correct? Now we have to write plus or minus. If both are moving in same direction, we have to write plus. Correct? Velocity of bus plus velocity of scooty. Correct? No, if both are moving in same direction, what we have to write? Minus. We have to write minus. This one only we will discuss in relative velocity. If trains are moving in same direction, minus. Trains are moving in opposite direction, plus. VB minus VS. What is VB minus VS we have taken here? Distance by time. Distance by time. Now what is the distance means? Distance between two cities X and Y. That is going to be VT. Here already we wrote velocity of bus into time period. correct? Divided by how much time it is taking to cross 30 minutes, correct? This is going to be 30 minutes. Units are also going to be important here. You are getting in seconds, hours, kilometer per hour, depending on options. Here all options they gave, time is in minutes, velocity is in hours. That is going to be important. Velocity of bus, velocity of scooty. Velocity of bus we should calculate. So VB minus, what is scooty velocity? VB minus 60 kilometer per hour is equal to VBT is divided by 30 minutes. So equation you are going to get VB minus 60 into 30 minutes is equal to VBT, velocity of bus into time. Call it as equation number 1. So after writing the second equation, you can write very fastly. Why? Because if both are moving in same direction, what we wrote? VB minus 60. Now see here, after every 10 minutes, bus is crossing in opposite direction. Opposite direction means velocity of scooty like this, velocity of bus in opposite direction. At the time, what we have to take here? VB plus 60. Because scooty velocity is not changing. Time, in place of 10, how much we have to write? 10 is equal to VBT. Call it as equation number 2. Now, equation 1 and 2, both are equal. Now, equate these two. Then what you are going to get? You are going to get the answer like this. VB minus 60 into 30 is equal to VB plus 60 into 10. Now you can cancel this 0, 0 will be cancelled. 3VB minus 180 equal to VB plus 60. So you can bring 180 right side, VB left side. 2VB is equal to 180 plus 60 to 40. Then VB is equal to 120. How much you will get? Kilometer per hour. Because velocities we have added in kilometer per hour. 60 is kilometer per hour, isn't it? So 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Minutes cancel. 60 kilometer per hour, correct? Sorry, VB plus 60. 60 kilometer per hour, 60 kilometer per hour. Therefore, your answer will be in kilometer per hour. Once you got VB, what you have to get? Time you should get. Substitute either in 1 or 2. You are going to get remaining answer, isn't it? So like this, we have to do. Now here, in this case, if you want to do another problem on this, you can take in reverse order. Scooty is moving from Y to X. At that time, see the answer, how it is going to be changed. This is nothing but your practice, isn't it? Like this is nothing but concept. Here, 3 they give. They may give another one also. Another person is coming on bike. Here, scooty they give. They may give bike in opposite direction or in same direction. That is their wish, how they are going to ask. Okay, but however they are going to ask, we should be in a position to solve the problem by practicing like this, because there is no other option for us. If it is taking more time, if we are not getting understood, means you have to leave the question and you have to go for next question. Okay, this is the concept of relative velocity and how they may ask the questions. Thank you.